Hello my people, your babe don't show with another tutorial. So today we are going to be making just braids for fussy hair, but I decided to make it triangle patterns just to add a little bit more interest to the regular braid style. So in this video you're going to see how I make the triangle patterns and how I am able to tuck her fussy hair to make a braid that's going to last her for up to a month or more, and also how I coil the hair. And you're also going to see how I am able to blend in the triangles from like the previous section into the next section, because when I started making this hairstyle I didn't know how to transition the triangle from like the roll I had finished making to the next roll. And when I start afresh, like creating the triangles from the beginning of like towards the edges of her face inwards, I would end up just messing around with the triangles and just mixing it up and creating trapeziums and some other funny shapes inside of the hair instead of the triangles I was trying to make. So I later figured out how to continue the triangle up to the higher section, and you're going to see like the hair was filled with triangles, like it was filled with triangles. I didn't have funny shapes all over the place, but usually I would have like squares, then rectangles, then different types of triangles, all the obtuse. Instead of equilateral triangles I would have like acute, just funny shaped triangles, even the ones that we were not taught in maths, like very funny shapes that do not exist yet. I used to have all of them inside my triangular pattern hairstyle, but that has changed. Your girl is getting better. I don't they learn. So just watch this video so that you will see how when I get to those very interesting parts I am going to slow it down. So here you're seeing how I start off the braids and how I'm able to bury her natural hair inside the extension so that it will not be saying hello to everybody passing in a very funny way, and so that it will look neat. Like she just took down the last braid I made for her, and it's almost 3 months ago. Like, can you imagine? I was so surprised when I saw her, but she wore the hair well, and the hair served her. So we are going to, okay, I have my sister helping me, so at some point you're going to see me just braid. I would braid, try to get to where her natural hair stops, and then let my sister finish it off. But somewhere along the line, sometimes I do not braid up to that extent. Okay, bear in mind, okay, you can see how I am transition. This side is not actually stressful, like it's not challenging to blend this back of the head area. It's when you get to the front, that is when you're going to say wing if you do not know how to make this hair. And so that's when, like when you get to the center of the head at the back, like the back of the center of the head, the back area of the center of the skull. I am sure there's a name for that place, but I don't care. You get what I mean? When you get to that part, then you will know if you can braid triangles or not. So that is where you need to watch and learn. Watch and learn. I'm thinking of what to say. Like, okay, if you have any questions, just ask me. I'm going to slow it down when I get to that part. When I am coiling the hair, like I would speed up and then slow down when I am doing in very interesting things I think someone might have a question on. So guys, the way, again, I just keep repeating this in my videos because I want to be making money now. See, the way YouTubers make money is when people watch the adverts that play in our videos. So please be a nice person now. Don't be skipping all of them. I'll end up making nothing, like zero cents from this video. But if you can watch like one or two, and then if you're in a good mood and you had a nice day, you can just watch all the ads. Like when it plays, you watch it. Some of them are actually interesting gist happening in the ads. It's just that we are used to revolting against the ads because it interrupts what you're enjoying. I understand wanting to skip the ads, but if you can, just watch one for me or two. just to support my channel. And as you do it, like, the universe will just keep sending you love back. Because of that good intention, it will just come back to you. Okay, see the way I am blending my triangle from the previous one to, like, I just take the roll of the last triangle and continue first, then walk towards the face. Guys, just watch, you will understand. By the time I do it repeatedly, you understand what I was saying. If you don't want to watch the ads because you just say no, I don't want to watch, you don't make any money, okay, just leave a thumbs up for me. Just thumbs up the video. That's not hard. Now that one is not hard. Thumbs it up. You can sharing the video, leaving a thumbs up, leaving a comment. All those things send good signals to YouTube that there is something interesting in this video. So let me just show other people, and that is what makes our videos to progress, and that is what makes the channels to progress. If you're spending any moment here watching this video, I appreciate you, and I just send you, like, all the good in the universe, and just redirect it to your house. Like, I know I don't have power like a god. Wait, I have power like a god because we are like mini gods. So I just use my own power to channel the goodness and wishes and love and light, and I just send it down into your heart, into your house, into your family. All your wishes, may they come true. May you be happy and happy. May you have love. May you have good food. May you enjoy your food. May you lose weight if you want to lose weight. May you gain weight if you want to gain weight. May you have plenty money. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Let's continue. Let's continue. Mwah. Thank you. Let's continue. I didn't say go away. I said let's continue. Let me just play some music for you. I wish I can just show my DJ skills here, but unfortunately, the songs we have to use are songs that are not copyrighted, and most of them are just management. I wish you could like play some Nigeria jams here. Let me just update you guys on this sweet. Like, if you're not a Nigerian, you've not watched Nigerian songs, eh? You are missing in your life. See, I made a vlog video of Port Harcourt, Nigeria. If you're interested in that, it will be linked in the description when it is out. Most times I say this thing, but by the time it comes out, I've moved on to another video. Unless someone leaves a comment to remind me, then I will just put it there. Also, I made a video with my friend on what to expect when you're dating an average Nigerian man. We are Nigerian girls that grew up in Nigeria, married and single version, all the spices there. That video will be linked in the description, but you can watch it if you're interested in Nigerian men, because you know we have the finest men in the universe. I gave it your phone. Alright guys, it don't do it.